In this video, I'll show you how to send Robux to your friends on Roblox. First, open Roblox and tap the More menu. Then select Roblox Plus. You'll need an active Roblox Plus subscription to send Robux, although you may be eligible for a free trial if you don't already have one. Next, return to the home page and open the profile of the friend you want to send Robux to. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Send Robux. Enter the amount you'd like to send or pick one of the preset amounts, then tap Next. Double-check that you're sending the correct amount to the right person and tap Send to complete the transfer. If your friend doesn't receive the Robux immediately, they may need to accept the transfer through their notifications. Get parental approval if required, or wait for the transaction to finish processing. Remember, only the sender needs Roblox Plus, but both accounts must have their age verified to use this feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and thanks for watching.